Hello, I'm Brian Shannon, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about the new features available with the Vault family of products for 2010 in terms of the automatic file naming. In the past, with automatic file name and product stream and even Vault Workgroup in Collaboration 2009, we had the ability to retroactively go back in and auto rename the files. However, with the 2010 release, we're given the ability to assign a file numbering scheme. It's very similar to the file numbering schemes that we used in the past with items, and this will apply an automatic file naming or numbering scheme on save from a new file created from a template inside of Inventor or AutoCAD. So let's take a look at this. So first we'll create a new scheme, and I'll call this my Shanco naming scheme. Now, any proper scheme should have a prefix in front of it, so we'll just put a fixed text, and I'm just going to call this name. And you can put in maybe the first three initials of your last name here. And second, let's put an auto-generated sequence of numbers in, and we'll just call this number. I'll say we'll go with a length of 6, and this will start at 100,000. It'll go, it'll step one at a time. You could opt to maybe step 10 at a time if you ever wanted to splice in numbers in between. And in this case, we'll force this to uppercase. So this will be my active and default scheme inside of the Vault. So let's put this to the test. Over here in the inside of the Vault in Inventor, ensure that you're logged into the same Vault that you select that you create the naming scheme for. Next step is to create a new component. So in this example, I create a rectangle, and finishing out the sketch, we'll put a face on here, and that's fine. Now when I go to save it, we'll automatically apply that numbering scheme to the new part on creation. So I could go and drop this inside of here. And the rest of the story is to actually check it in. So now the next component that I create will have that 100,001, 100,002, and so on.